Hello and welcome everyone to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a custom video. See, I got this Welly Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 1:64 scale diecast car. This is a $1 car in Kmart, but normally usually Hotwheels is $2 in Australia. This one is $1. This is from Welly Series 3. And I love this casting, and I'm gonna do some custom of this one. I gotta change. Actually, Welly, though it's $1, they produce like rubber wheels and all the details of the casting. Sometimes they are better than Hot Wheels, but still. All right. So let's crack this one open and we'll do the custom. Alright, let's see what I can do. Alright, I'll leave my phone over here so you guys can see what's happening. Alright, crack open. It didn't come well. Doesn't matter. Alright, here's the casting. Mitsubishi Lancer Evo, red color one. Nice details on the casting. Rubber tires, made in China. Lancer Evo Z, right? Yep. Detailed front gear grill. Nice. Alright. Pretty good. Overall, nice little casting, especially with the side mirrors as well. Alright, let's drill this thing out. Alright, let's drill this thing out. I hope you guys can see what's happening. If not, so sorry about that, mate. Now this is something different. See whether this one will open or not. No. Alright, it's pretty hard to drill this one. Can you see all the rivets are in deep down? We'll see again. Try again. Let's try. Oh, come on. Alright, cool. Now the front side. Alright. Rear part is all good. Alright. Perfect. There you go. Let's see how about the casting. Alright, here you go. This is the raw top part. Alright, I just removed the windows, and here's the pure. Alright, I'll try to separate this front grille as well. If so, we can save some details from the coloring, you know. We could save some details, obviously. Yeah. So here's the base. Yep, easy stuff. We'll leave it like that. And I want to remove this front grill. We'll see how it happens. Alright, check this out, guys. I managed to remove the grill from the casting. Nice, huh? We'll leave it over here, and let's do some real treatment for this one. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, now we are in my garage. See all my paint stuff and paint removals. So this is the polish stripper I'm using to remove all the paints from my Hot Wheels and all the other diecast cars. It's pretty quickly. What we need to do is just apply some polish strippers onto the car and leave it for like a couple of minutes and wash it away. You guys can see how it works in a few minutes. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, I'll keep this microphone somewhere near over here. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Alright, you guys can see slowly all the paint is stripping from the vehicle. So after that, what I have to do is just wash this thing out and remove all the small paint particles. Yep, so don't forget to use this one, polish stripper. I think that's the best one I found in local Bunnings hardware store. There you go. Alright guys, here's the next step. So I have removed all the paint from the casting. I thought the spoiler is also made out of steel, but it seems it's rubber. So it's just a bit annoying to remove all the paint from that one. But after I apply the prime coat, I hope this will be fine. So there you go. No more paint in the casting. Yep, let's go to the next step. Alright, this is how I'm going to apply the prime coat on the casting. I just fixed it to the empty toilet paper roll. Good, see? So I'm going to use my Deluxe steel primer to apply the primer coat. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this one. Alright, you got the casting, you got the gum, easy peasy. Make sure you apply only thin layers. So then it's easy to dry everything. See, it's almost done over here. apply the primer seal, so you have to keep this one until it dry a bit. Yeah, looks alright. Alright guys, there you go. I just did the yellow color painting on this Evo. Sprayed around 5 thin layers of yellow color paint on this one. Yeah, now we have to keep this one until dry. Alright, we'll see what we can do later. Let it dry guys, let it dry for a couple of hours. Make sure you don't touch the surface, otherwise I'm pretty sure you guys will hit your pink fingerprint on the casting. Alright guys, now everything has done paintwork. See, it's very dry at the moment, so I kept it under sunlight for about 5-6 hours. Now it looks good, huh? So now I'm gonna do the paint work, detailing headlights, tail lights, and I'm planning to color the spoiler in black, maybe side tempos. Let's see how it goes. All right. Sorry, I cannot video the process of painting because I don't have any phone holder here. So I'll do that sort of a video later. But let's see how's the outcome. All right. All right. Now I have done all the detailings, lights, grille, side mirrors, front tail lights, spoiler, and the spoiler lights. I painted all by using my tools and applied the and let them dry and applied the clear clear coat by using a gloss color spray can, paint spray. Make sure you guys apply the spray in like thin layers. I use like 5 thin coats around this vehicle, but if you apply more, it will wash out your paint, because gloss one it's also some sort of paint removing stuff. So check this out. This thing came pretty well, I think. I'll show you. This is the tool I use to apply paint because it has very sharp edge, sharp point over here. So this is the one I'm using to apply paint on my castings. Alright, now make sure you let this one dry at least a day. Make sure at least a day, definitely, otherwise your fingerprint will be all over the car for sure. Yeah. Now it's time to check the wheels. Let's do it. All right, let's make sure we fix the exact matching wheels for this casting. This turns out to a beauty, you know. Nice. All right guys, there you go. Final outcome, Lance Evo X. See, I have done the final coat and I'm a very impatient person, so fixed all the tires and set up it. It looks really good. I'll fix my phone and I'll show you guys about this one. The only thing is this car won't roll because I fixed some sort of a permanent tires on it. So, but it looks really nice. Yeah, they're really nice. See, bang on target, well detailed. Yeah. See how nice it is. Yellowish color, black spoiler, new tires. Excellent. Yeah. I'll do a photo shoot and upload my Instagram account, guys. Diecast Beast. Just go and see about this one, and the whole video will be available on YouTube and my Facebook page, Diecast Beast. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, boys. See you soon with another custom video. Alright, cheers, bye.